Hello, Netherland.
Hello, Panthers.
Welcome back to GNN for our last newscast of 2014.
GNN will be back next fall, of course, but you'll have two new friendly faces delivering your news by then.
Thank you for joining the two of us every week this year. Diego and I have had a blast over the past 30 episodes and hope you have too.
It's hard to believe our senior year is over, but thanks to YouTube and the interweb, GNN will live on through the computer age for eternity.
Or at least until some terrible apocalypse occurs.
I think we'll be alright.
Well, counting today, seniors have just 5 days left and 11 for everyone else. But no one's counting.
Seniors, make sure you pick up a checkout form from the office. You must have your teachers, the library, the kitchen, and the counseling office sign off before you can get your cap and gown.
And you're going to need those for graduation Saturday the 24th. Also, seniors need to be at school Friday morning for graduation rehearsal.
And speaking of more important forms, 8th grade students, please listen up.
The mining field trip is coming up on Tuesday. Some of you still need to turn in your permission slips.
Don't forget,
all the 8th graders are hiking up to Caribou Townsite to study and learn more about Netherlands' vast mining history.
that's quite a hike.
It sure is. The 8th graders have been training for it and are set for the adventure.
Sounds like fun, so don't miss out, 8th graders. Get those permission slips in, and also don't forget your Fitbits.
What's a Fitbit?
I don't know, Google it.
In case you didn't know, a group of students will be traveling with Miss Bovino to France this summer.
Nice.
It's actually pronounced Nice.
Dude, I mean, nice, like that sounds awesome, as in a trip to France would be nice.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the beautiful French city along the Riviera with the same spelling.
No, I was not.
Well, anyway, in June our French students will be strolling down the Champs-Élysées in Paris, learning about the culture and language of another country, practicing all the French they learned during their study of the language here at NMSHS.
This is a culminating trip to celebrate the end of the French program at our school for the time being. Thanks to Miss B for making this happen, and to the language swift return to Netherlands.
Oui.
Oui.
The last choir and music concerts of the year entertained audiences and showcased the enormous talent here at Netherlands one more time this week. Hope you made it.
If you didn't, there's one more chance to honor our talented musicians and singers, and that's tonight at the annual Theater Awards night at 6:30 in the auditorium.
I will be there.
This Friday, today May 16th, is the last day to check out library books. All books and library materials are due on Friday, May 23rd. So plan accordingly and check under your bed for those overdue books.
Bridget is selling a CD of prom pictures to anyone who wants one.
The disc is $5 and filled with memories of an epic night.
And you can still get a yearbook too.
And you still know who to talk to if you want one.
Summer school will be available online starting this June. There are tons of course options that can benefit you in many different ways.
Summer school can help you make up for credits lost or also help you get classes out of the way early, freeing up your senior year. Talk to Allie or sign up online to get registered.
That sounds pretty cool. I wish I had that option when I was younger.
Me too.
And there are more opportunities available here at Netherland High this summer.
The Panther Summer Open Gym and activities will be in full effect again.
The gym, field, track, and weight room will be open every Tuesday and Thursday evening in June and July.
The activities run from 4 to 7 p.m. each night. Grab some friends and teammates and make plans to attend. You can train hard and have some fun here at school, and then head out for an evening with all your friends.
Diego and I went almost every day last summer, and it really helped our soccer team come together and prepare for the great season.
And Jones is always cooking hot dogs and burgers, or Metzger's out there dishing out ice cream bars.
It's all good, and it's just 2 days a week.
Yeah, so enough with the excuses for not showing up. Be there.
The summer workouts are open to all Netherlands students and recent graduates. You don't even have to be part of a team to participate, but maybe you'll want to join a sport after you see how much fun it can be.
There's no cost, and you simply need to have your parents sign a waiver. The waivers are available in the office and will also be here at the open gym. See Mr. Jones, Mr. Taylor, or grab one of these flyers off the wall if you need more info.
And attention to 6th and 7th grade girls who like to run. Lori Kinzel will be heading up Jean's Dream Running Camp once again this summer.
Jean's Summer Running Camp invites our young female runners to get together for 5 days of running over the last week of June. You can sign up with Miss Kinzel today.
So, we've had another action-packed week here at Nederland Middle Senior High.
Like every week.
And there's more to come this summer in 2015 and beyond.
We hope you have been part of all the great things that happen here.
School, like many aspects of life, is what you make of it. This year's class of 2014 has made Nederland proud, and we will leave next week and to embark toward their bright and exciting futures.
Congratulations, graduates. It's been an honor.
We want to say thank you to all of you for watching this year, and we encourage you to be part of our video productions in the future.
And we also want to say thank you and good luck to some of our departing staff members.
Miss Moore, we love you. Thanks for dedicating decades of your life to the students of Nederland. Enjoy your retirement, and say hi to Bonnie for us, and be happy.
And Mr. Tewalt, best of luck to you at Monarch next year and beyond. It will not be the same without you, Troy.
We'll reminisce, always proud to be Panthers.
It's all good.
It's all good.
Thanks, Diego and Sam, for that touching finale to a great year here at Nederland High School. It's all good from the sports guys.
I'm Noah Thatcher,
And I'm
and we're signing off.